love. So today we're going to do a Revolution tutorial. I was lucky enough to do another Instagram video for Revolution to celebrate that I Heart Revolution is coming to Ulta. So I am super excited about that. But I decided to film the full tutorial to put here on my channel, and then just there's a mini tutorial going up on their Instagram. So I will probably try and wait to put this up until after it's already up over there. So if you're seeing this, pop on over to the Revolution Instagram. I don't know if it's going to go on Revolution or Makeup Revolution. I'll let you know in the description below, but please go over there and give them some love on that video. So hopefully I can do more in the future, because this is, you guys know how much I love Revolution. Creating any sort of content for them just makes me so happy. So it would mean the world to me. So anyway, we are going to jump into this tutorial. This is the look I created today. I decided to do just kind of a warm smoky eye with a nude lip. I'm just using some of my absolute favorite I Heart Revolution products that are going to be in Ulta and online. I assume they're going to be in store and online. And if you guys didn't know, Ulta now has the skincare line. I'm so excited. I need to pop on over to Ulta. I'm going to try and do a little shop with me at Ulta soon. And we'll definitely check anything I can find out there. We just opened a second Ulta in town. I'm so excited. So I will definitely bring my vlog camera finally along for that. So anyway, we are just going to jump into this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into it. All right, let's start. I am super excited to try this primer. This is the Onyx primer, one of the new ones from Revolution. It is a black primer. My only worry is I'm so fair. I'm worried I'm going to turn a little bit gray, but I'm super excited to try it. I can feel like a real Instagrammer and like drip it down my face. Are you ready? It just says primer with black gel-like texture that blends clear for a blurred and mattified base. Okay, we'll keep blending. Because at first you see kind of a gray tint, but I'm sure once you have your foundation and everything on, you won't even notice. I gotta hydrate my under eyes. We're gonna use the Revolution Pro Under Eye Primer in Hydrate. That was a lot, Shannon, but I guess there's never too much hydration. The usual, I'm going in with Revolution Conceal and Define. My favorite, I'm using F2 and 0.5 right now. Okay, now we're gonna blend it out. Okay, we're gonna use Conceal and Define Concealer in 0.5. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. We're gonna just prime our whole eye with the Cut Crease canvas in Illustrate. I love using this as a full base and as a cut crease canvas. It's just so pigmented, and I've really had really good results with my eyeshadow staying on all day when using this. Okay, I'm gonna go in and set my lids and my more oily areas with the Bacon Blot. This is in translucent. I'm gonna go put on my brows and I'll be right back, just because it's boring. Be right back. We're gonna start with the face, and I'm going to use the Bronze and Glow. I love this for contouring, this shade. Gotta get that chin, girl. I've really been loving glowy blushes lately. Peach and Glow is just perfect for that. I'm gonna go ahead and mix all of the shades. One of my favorite highlights right now is this little guy. I'm so glad I brought him back out. This is the Chocolate Elixir Glow. Look how pretty these are. I'm gonna go into this guy. My type of glow, you guys. My type of glow. And if you're crazy like me, now that's all on, I'm just gonna spray with the Hyaluronic Fix. Whew! That glow though, that glow though. Okay, I think we're going to use the Chocolate Elixir palette today. I'm very excited. This is one of my favorites. These just all have the cutest packaging of life. I just have to say that. I'm gonna start with that shade. I'm just gonna buff it into the crease. I'm gonna take the matte cream shade and just pop that on the brow bone. Now we're gonna go in with this shade right here and just focus that right onto the lid and just into the crease. Take that same shade on the lower lash line. We're gonna go in with this dark brown. I'm just gonna start placing that pretty close to the lash line and keeping it mostly just on the lid. I'll probably blend it a little bit into the crease. I'm taking that same darker shade on the lower lash line, but I'm focusing it mostly on the outer half. I'm gonna go back in one more time with the first shade that we used, this kind of yellowy one right here, just to kind of blend out the edges and make sure it's all married together. And I don't want to lose that shade, so I go back in with it at the very end. All right, we're gonna go in, we're gonna do a wing. I'm gonna use the Renaissance Flick. Alright guys, I'm going to pop on some mascara and some lashes. We are going to use these AOA Studio Jean lashes. They are my favorite right now. I'll be right back. We're going to pop right back into this palette one more time and use this guy right here to highlight the inner corner. Pop that right on the inner corner. It's just going to open up your eye a little more, especially with such a smoky look. Wait, I'm gonna go in a little bit and line my lips with the lip liner in Vow from Revolution, of course. Now we're gonna use this I Heart Revolution chocolate gloss in Honeycomb. These smell so good. So good. Each one smells like whatever scent it says on the bottom. Honeycomb, chocolate chip cookie dough, and salted caramel are probably my three favorites. The salted caramel one smells the best, but I think chocolate chip cookie dough is my all-time favorite. Okay, so we're just gonna pop this on. It smells so good. Alright love, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. I have to repeat how excited I am that, sorry I have a cat hair, how excited I am that I Heart Revolution is coming to Ulta. So exciting. I just love seeing, like, now they have the Revolution skincare. They obviously have the Revolution line. You guys know that, like, my ride or die is Revolution. I just live for it, so I am very excited. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. And I will talk to you soon. Bye! Oh, shit. Look at Crease today. What is new? Nothing. I don't know what that accent was. Girl. These bangs be crazy. Would you expect anything else from me? I need to sneeze. Whew! That was not cute.